Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is luxury cheese on toast. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. This is a dish my wife brought with her when she decided to take this shy valley boy under her wing. So for that and other things, I will always be eternally grateful. Firstly, let's prepare the cheese mixture. To do this, first we finely chop the red onion, followed by the 2 tomatoes. I don't think anybody noticed you cut your finger, sweetheart. I think you got away with it. Next, we grate the cheese and add to the bowl. Where are you going? I said add to the bowl. Next we add pepper to taste, followed by the double cream. Add the double cream 1 tablespoon at a time until a nice thick consistency and the mixture holds together. You might need 3, you might need 5 tablespoons of double cream for this. When this is done, you should have something that looks like this, and the mixture just holds together. Next you go on to toast the bread. Put the 4 slices of bread in a grill tray, place under a preheated grill until the first side is nice and toasted. Then remove from the grill, turn over, but you're only going to lightly toast the second side. Then simply spread the cheese mixture onto the bread. As you can see, we've only done 2 slices of bread at the moment because when it comes to my 2, I like to add a couple of extra ingredients. And these are a couple of green chillies finely chopped and 1 teaspoon of dried chili flakes. Simply add these to the remaining cheese mixture, thoroughly mix together, and then spread on the remaining 2 slices of bread. Easy. Then it's back under the grill on medium and toast until the cheese is nice and brown and bubbling. And there you have it, luxury cheese on toast. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.